How to send money from Cash App to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to first buy Bitcoins on your Cash App. So we will be sending Bitcoins from our Cash App to Binance. And after buying the Bitcoins on your Cash App, just go to the Binance account. And on Binance, just go to the option of wallet at the bottom. Now click on this option of deposit. Wait for it to load, then select the option of Bitcoin. Over here, just select the option of Bitcoin to get the address. This way you would be given an address, and after that just copy that particular address, Bitcoin address basically, and go to the Cash App. And on Cash App, just go to the home section at the bottom and go to the option of Bitcoin. I won't be able to show you because when I go on home screen, the screen will turn black due to security reasons. So I will just be helping you out with my voice. So all you have to do is just go on Bitcoin, and over there you will be able to find the option of send. Just simply click on the option of send. Now it will ask you how much Bitcoin you want to send. Just type the amount that you want to send, and after that paste the address that we just copied from Binance. Also, if there is some code along with it, then just simply copy that code as well. And this way you would be able to send Bitcoin from Cash App to Binance. And that's how you send money from Cash App to Binance. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.